2020 was the first year for me to be a part-time indie game dev, making games next to my job, like as a job. And what the worth it? Did I make the money? Ka-ching, ka-ching. Did I achieve what I wanted to achieve? Not just like the money, but in everything. We will find out. But time is rare, so let's get started.
1909 games. Let's make games.
2020 was a difficult year. I don't want to talk about it like in terms of coronavirus. I will not do it. So that's it. Bam. But I had goals for 2020. I had dreams for 2020. I had a lot of work for 2020 and I had achieved a little bit. So the first thing that I did in 2020 in terms of game dev is Shane Corey. That was my final exam for my university. I was studying product design and I thought like, I asked my professor if I can do a game. And he was like, sure. And I was like, yay! And he was like, do it. Don't yay, just do it, man. You know? And that was my first game and I had 3 months to do it. I mean, I had research time before, some stuff like that, but to do the game, it was 3 months. And here you see some footage of the game and it was really nice. And it turned out so okay. You know, I mean, for 3 months, so good. And when I finished it and I was the last day before I have to deliver, I was working on it, you know, like it's crazy. And it was not just a game, it was the book about the game, you know, with a few pages and some text and pictures and so on. And I'm building a table for the game and making a poster. Everything in 3 months. It was really a lot of work, but it turned out pretty good. And the professors have been like, what is that? So it was not very successful, but it was, for me it was successful. And next we have Bloodborne Stars. It was a mobile game I did in 1 week and published it in 4 weeks because I needed some experience in publishing. I didn't know what I have done there, so I really had to take me some time, and you know, there was a time. 4 weeks. And now we talk about money. How much money did it make? $2, $3, something like that. To be honest, I was pretty depressed. Like, I thought like $10 would be nice, but I just got 2 or 3. It was a hard thing for me. No, but seriously, it was a really great experience to publish something, and it was the most important thing for me. You know, not the money, but that was just a test. But I will tell you how much I did with A Boy and His Beer. That was my next project, like a great project. Me and my wife did this advent calendar and she did the story and I did the game, and it turned out, I think, okay, but in terms of performance it was pretty bad because I had just 1.5 months to do it, and so okay, you know, it's okay, but it turned out like not every PC can play this game. But it's not too bad, you know. I made drum rolls, $38 with it. So we are at around $40 this year that I made, and that's it. I didn't make more money than that with game dev. So, but I have something more, you know. I started working on a project after my final exam. That I was working all the time next to the other thing. So that's my main project, and that is Virus Online, and I have a devlog. Just watch it. And it's not finished yet. I wanted to finish it, but there are some difficulties and so on. And I just want to focus on a little bit smaller projects right now. So it will come out, I hope, next year. But I take my time, you know, nobody's waiting for it. And that's the reason why I did all this YouTube stuff. And in terms of YouTube, let's watch my abos. I have 15 people that are abos. That's not a lot of people, but I'm really proud of it because I just started now, I think 3 weeks ago or something, to make regular videos that are not just devlogs, because it's way better to just not do just devlogs, you know, but do something else. Like this, I'm enjoying to think about what I have done this year. So yeah, that's YouTube. And I have a goal for next year. And tomorrow there will be a video. If you don't want to miss it, click subscribe, you know, click subscribe and you will, you know, have a new video, me doing, and I will start the video at 12 p.m. So don't miss it. It's pretty good. And I will tell you my goals for next year in this video. So don't miss it. And of course, I have done a lot of like artwork, so little prototypes for games like Ugly Guy. You know, that was a prototype that's I don't know what it is, to be honest. You are this little ugly blah, 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 and you know, you have to shoot enemies and you get points, and with the points you can plant, I don't know what it is, flowers or something, and then you get more points or you get health or something, you know, and you can plant, and the idea was to be able to have a level and you plant a whole city of plants that gave you points, that gave you more energy or something like that, but I didn't really like it, so I screwed it. A lot of more small stuff than that. But that was all I've done this year. And it was countless hours. I don't know how many hours, but it's countless. I don't know how much it is. You know, nobody knows how much it is. I haven't slept for a year. Okay, maybe a little bit, but really not a lot. And the goals for next year, we will see tomorrow, because that will be the next video, so don't miss it. And I hope you like this little, you know, 2020. So, but I don't want to make this video extreme long, so that's it. No, I put everything in a little bit of a few minutes. And if you like this video, then like the video. Pretty easy, doesn't cost anything. And see you tomorrow. Bye!